Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to change the graph to a candles. So it will be not like this, but in candles. So just pick a stock, go here to the settings and just pick candles. And that's it guys. Now we will see a stock on trading 212 in candles. And also if you want to up to $100 for free, just make sure to use my promo code here, this one, to get $100 up to for free on any stocks, and that you will sell it and you will have a free money. So make sure to make an account and use my promo code. And I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.